Hey y'all, it's me and I'm back with Miss Brenda. Put your legs together, girl. Put your legs together. Don't be too fresh. But me and Brenda, we're gonna do something pretty nice for y'all. We're gonna show y'all something a little special, something that we do together. Girl, put your legs back together, girl. Stop being fresh. We're going to be using this product. And we're going to be using FLEXI rods. Not the perm rods that you see, but the FLEXI rods. So let's get started, Miss Brenda. To be honest with y'all, it's not going to be as dramatic as it seems. It's literally going to be probably about like 5 FLEXI rods total in her hair. So yeah, that's all we really need, like 5. So I'm going to go ahead and take out the 5 FLEXI rods that we're going to be using. And I like to use the orange ones to get a tighter curl in the hair, because obviously curls drop. No matter what you do, curls will drop. So I like to start off with the tighter curls. That way when it drops, it gets more of a loose wave. Because as you can see, her hair is straight. And to be quite honest with you, I don't really know the background of this hair, because this wig was actually given to me by a supervisor. Actually, this hair was given to me by my old supervisor. She bought the hair and didn't really know how to style wigs and human hair wigs. So with that lack of experience, I love you though, but with that lack of experience, she gave me the wig. So yeah, I don't really know too much about it, but I love this wig. This is actually my first human hair wig that I've had. I've had a human hair wig before that I created myself, but this is like my first like full lace human hair wig. Yeah. So yeah, let's get started. I'm just gonna section off some of her hair. Start off in the back. And I'm just gonna kind of like pin this up. I don't have a pin, so I'm gonna use a scrunchie and just kind of like wrap it like so. And just boop. All right. So first I'm just gonna take a pump, 1 pump, and just, yep. I don't want it too saturated, but just enough. Actually, I'm gonna get 2 more pumps. I lied to y'all. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to lie. So just run that through it. Get it a little damp. I normally like to comb or brush it through. So back here, I'm just gonna make this like 2 separate sections. So you take your FLEXI rod, straighten it out a bit. Take your FLEXI rod, and you start from the bottom. And then you just kind of like, I don't know if you can't see that. Start from the bottom and you just kind of like wrap it around. And then I go from there and just roll, roll. And that's 1. This is not going to be a FLEXI rod tutorial. This is just me showing you that I'm using FLEXI rods to style my wig. So this is the finished product, guys. I know I said I was only going to use maybe 5 FLEXI rods, but obviously that was a lie. I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've used 10 FLEXI rods. So I doubled the amount that I stated that I was going to originally use. But this is the final and finished product of me styling Brenda. So this is the final product of me styling Brenda. I'm gonna go ahead to bed and you guys will see the end result at the beginning of this video when I'm doing my introduction. So, bye. Hey guys, it's me. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. This is the next 2 days. So the last time you guys saw me, I went ahead and I styled this wig. I'm not gonna even lie to y'all. I ain't gonna hold y'all. So I'm gonna let y'all know what happened. Alright, so boom. This is what happened. After I styled the wig, I actually got invited to go out to a party the very next day. So basically I went out to a party and not even thinking that I still had to like record the results and record the takedown of this style. Y'all, I just took the hair down and I just styled my hair and I just went on about my day. Yeah, forgot to record it. I know I'm horrible, but I will insert photos right here and right here on how my hair looked. So, yes, as you can see, it was popping, okay? All right, So what I did after I came home after the party, I went ahead and I put the flexi rods in my hair again, you know, just so I can show you guys the takedown. And this time when I inserted it in my hair again, I didn't put any product on it. I literally just took my hair, just wrapped it around, and then just let it sit like that. So let's go ahead and take down this hair. So as you can see, it's far less flexi rods than it was originally. And like I said, that's because I had to redo it. So as you can see, look at that. Y'all see that curl? Ooh, sporing. Yes, and like I said, I didn't put any more product on it from the first time. So this is all just on its own accord. I honestly never curled this wig before, like ever. So I was actually really afraid that it wouldn't hold a curl. But honestly, that night of the party, it held the curl for quite a while actually. And then when the curls finally did start to drop, even just a little bit, it still had a nice like body wave look to it. So as you can see, this is the curl pattern of it. I probably shouldn't have wore a black shirt, but you guys still can see it. I can still see it in the camera. So this is the curl of it. And then from this point, you just kind of like fluff it out. And just kind of like run your fingers through it like so. Ooh. Y'all, I swear this is like the easiest and best way to like curl your hair without having to keep putting heat on your wig. I'm telling you, sis, this is the best way to do it. I love putting flexi rods in my hair because I just get like the most beautiful curl, and it lasts a super long time. Then I have to sit in no hot, heated, steamy room when I already have done my makeup and sweat my makeup off. So y'all see how flowy my hair is? My hair is still flowy. And the only thing that I used to set it the first time with the flexi rods was the setting foam. I want to say I did have it in the screen. I think I showed it to the camera. But this is the end of the video, guys. Sorry I didn't get to show you guys the initial day. But as you can see, you guys did not miss much because these curls is popping. They're still bomb, okay? It's still bomb. So this hair looks so good. It looks so good. I look so good. I'm about to go out again today, y'all. So, you know, gotta do what I do. Gotta go out and have fun. I've been stuck in this house doing homework and doing YouTube. It's time for me to let my hair down. I got my hat on, so you know, we're doing good. We're doing good. So go ahead and like this video. Comment down below if you like the flexi rod method. If you want to see me do maybe like a wand curl or something like that. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? Help me out, all right? Help me out. Subscribe to my channel because it's free. It costs you nothing to subscribe to my channel. So go ahead and do that. And then hit the bell right next to it so that way you can be notified every time I post a new video. You want to be the first one to know about it, right? Listen, not everybody can get these results. That's all I'm saying. So with that being said, subscribe, comment, and like, and hit that boom bell on the side. Bye, y'all. I'm out.